I just wanna see, is it still there? Can I put a few things outside? Let's see. Uh, uh, yeah, Bugs Lightyear is back. He's not gone. He's not gone. Mama got rid of his home. Cause they was right over there in that corner, up at the top, and I asked for her help. You see the help that she gave me? Oh my God, they're not gone. There's two swarming up at the ceiling, and this is just the backyard. This slide door, I would just be out if I was just out there. But this is keeping me from doing my duty of cutting them limbs as I was talking about. As you see, them limbs is hanging over, and this bush is right here. So, I don't know how this is gonna go. You would think this is a shark, something that's gonna eat me. But I feel like it. They will eat me alive. Like they gonna gang me. They gonna jump me. They a gang. They the true blood. Cause they red anyway. Black jacket, whatever. Red jacket. Yeah, stay over there. Did your other friends leave? Nope. I can see them. Y'all probably can't. But I can see them. Oh, there one. There one. I don't know why my mama kept this ceiling fan outside going. What is that even helping? It ain't doing no good. Running up the bill, that's it. Turn that thing off. How am I gonna do this? Am I really gonna have to go through the backyard from the front and all around? Because I can't even move that quick of just putting this bag that I have to put them small baby limbs in this bag. And the home defense that I have. Oh, Lord, have mercy. Ooh, it does look like it feel good out there. I see them limbs swaying in the winds. Whew. It's hot, but it's windy. It's something. I'm ready to get in the pool. I want to get in the pool. I wish we had a pool. But I want a pool indoors. I don't know why I was supposed to say inside doors. But I want it indoors. All because I can't relax if bugs is going to be swarming over my body. I'm going to have to do it. Dang, why is it just this one flying? Like, I just don't understand. Why are the rest of them still stuck right here? Like, stop trying to build another cocoon. I think that's what it is. Cocoon? Is it a cocoon? A honeycomb? Whatever you call it. I want y'all to find another place. Dang. How am I going to do this? This is the only door for backyard. This is crazy. Let me pause and try to see what I'm finna do. You literally trying to get in the house to come get me. Y'all see this? He trying to find a way in. Like, why? I'm not the one that harmed y'all in your home. I didn't do it. My mama did it for me, though. Ugh. Like, leave me alone. Dang, that's 3, 2, 1. Okay, all y'all are just flying. But it's still some of y'all up there. Like, why? I just want to slide this door open so I can just spray one good old time so all y'all can just go. Ooh, you up close. Go on, Becky. Go on, Becky, with them good legs and that good color. On that back. Let me see. Are y'all a wasp? What is you? Y'all look like some fairies. Ooh, y'all see all these wasps? But I see yellow and black legs. So I'm confused if they are wasp. I'm used to seeing red. Oh, y'all some babies? I don't know. No, that's a bee. Wait a minute. Y'all some... Hold up. Yeah, that's a bee. I see yellow and black. You know wasp. No wasp. Because you were just right here up close to me. And I was able to see them colors. You cannot get in my house. Stop trying. Stop flying around over here, man. Dang. Move. You really trying to get in. You're not getting in. I'm sorry, y'all. Whole video, doggone flying bug. Doggone bugs lighter. This is as much as I don't like bugs. Wait a minute, is that a cocoon right there? Hold on, wait. That's another cocoon? On the door sill? We're gonna have to try this again tomorrow. Dang. This right here sucks. Yeah, I'm gonna go on and end this video because there's no need to continue with this data. Because I'm not going outside today. That just changed my mood and my day. We can try again when it get a little dark, but not too dark. Because I need to be able to see outside. For other critters that like to swarm and crawl and walk and whatever. This ain't the country, but hey. We got a shed over there. I don't do anything up in the dark. Ooh. Hello. Up close, Mike. I'm gonna lock this. I'm gonna lock that up. Cause you can't get up here. Okay. 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 Okay.